These are the two things I got from the United Nations, a bad escalator and a bad teleprompter.
President Trump is blaming the UN for a stalled escalator, a broken teleprompter, and audio issues at his Tuesday appearance before the General Assembly. Trump called that halted escalator, quote, absolutely sabotage. But the UN says in a rare statement that it's actually more likely the result of a safety mechanism that had been triggered by his own photographer. And as for that teleprompter,
because the teleprompter is not working.
There are disputes as to whether the White House or the UN was responsible for running
I
it.
can only say that whoever's operating this teleprompter is in big trouble.
Now, these might seem like petty grievances, but they really underscore President Trump's broader complaints about the United Nations and its capacity to solve some of the world's most intractable conflicts. And we heard that in Trump's speech on Tuesday as he questioned the purpose of the United Nations.
All they seem to do is write a really strongly worded letter and then never follow that letter up.
But it was more than 24 hours after that speech, those technical difficulties still top of mind. The president calling it triple sabotage at the UN and demanding an immediate investigation. He said the Secret Service is involved. And still, the UN is trying to show the Trump administration they are taking this seriously. A spokesperson for the UN Secretary General says they have ordered a thorough investigation.